So we got this rock chip a few months ago, and then, well, sometime I think it was on the way to Oz's, and then just from sitting at the property when we went to leave, we have this big old crack now that goes straight through the middle of the driver's side windshield. So Kelly and I are going to try to replace this today, and we will see how it goes. The little transponder thing is still stuck to the window. Like, it was a sticker to get across the bridge from Indiana to Kentucky. And that's the part I need to try to get off, or maybe they'll just send me a new one. We're pulling off some old silicone on here as best we can. This thing leaked a little bit. I actually put clear silicone on here, and that yellow brownish looking stuff was clear silicone 5 years ago. Is that as high as you can reach?
It won't pull up higher, it just wants to. Oh, maybe.
You're gonna whop me in the face with it?
Probably.
We've already made an agreement not to get mad at each other during this process.
I didn't
I got her in the eyeball.
Sorry, but I didn't make that agreement.
So I just ran a knife right at the beginning, and now that I think I started the knife, I think the rubber's just gonna tear. Could be wrong.
On the side, maybe.
Yeah, it's just coming apart. That's perfect. Just keep going. I mean, I hate for the glass to fall into the bus because there's nobody in there, but this is the... Is it fighting you? You want me to run a knife? I don't want you to go flying because she's standing on the stool right now. Hold on. Let me try.
Wait, I got it.
Okay.
So far. Okay, that's it. I can't pull up high enough.
Okay, so let me just... Oh, this is a knife injury waiting to happen.
Yeah, no, let's stop that. It's the wrong angle for me.
Oh, yeah, I can just... Oh, man, you got some muscles, babe.
I know.
Here. Oh, jeez. Why don't you push the top towards me? Just try to push the glass out towards me.
Got it? Want me to come out there now?
Yeah, come on out here.
Okay.
All the wonderful things that have been seen through this window.
You want to finish pulling this off?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I need to go inside and scrape around then.
Yeah, let's get all the gook cleaned off of it.
Do we have another?
I don't think a knife is what we want to use. Probably a wire brush.
Dad said we couldn't get mad at each other doing this because him and Tyler did not do good doing it together.
So we needed marriage counseling when we were done.
You and Tyler did?
Yeah.
That's fun. Your babies were in my room.
Okay, one side is thicker than the other, and I assume the glass is thicker than this. Or are both sides the same?
Get your fingers off.
Well,
To me, it looks.
you have to spread it out to know.
Get it straight. This side looks thicker.
That's what I thought. I think that should go to the glass.
So what's this?
Because the glass is definitely thicker than this. So which side is it?
So is the glass actually supposed to be on the outside?
The strip is supposed to be on the outside.
I'm asking what side the glass is supposed to be. Is glass supposed to be on the outside? Because I pushed it towards you, right?
Glass is supposed to be on the outside.
Of this.
No, it sits right over it in the middle.
Oh.
That's why it's seamed right out.
Oh, okay.
The locking strip is supposed to be on the outside. For some reason, other than that.
Okay, wait, let me pull some of this back. I didn't know it was clean. I didn't. Maybe. Might be
Can you hold this for a second while I get the camera?
It might be easier for me to get it from out there, though. We've got a steering wheel in the way.
Okay, so we're spreading this channel apart and putting it into the groove here.
Either you to push or you
Yep,
to hold this.
I'll hold it here. You're gonna have to. Tried to make it a hair long so I can push it together. Let's see if it worked or not. Yes.
While you're doing that, though, should we try to get this one started before you get...
No, let's not worry about it.
Well, I think you need to be in there at least. Let's just push as far as I can push it.
The whole time. Half inch. Okay. Now don't stay in there. Don't do anything, okay? I'm gonna slide this out there close.
Yeah, if you just hold it, it like keeps going after you let go. Probably using way more than you need. Shirt.
I get all dirty.
Your brand new shirt.
Sorry. Okay. Go on the inside to stop me from pushing it in. This little tool goes in the channel, spreads it for this thing. The bottom out here. It stretches it, yeah. That's how it makes it seal. Finally getting easier. So that lock strip tool just pulls that right in there and it spreads it out and makes it fit good. So we're almost halfway with the lock strip and then we'll be done. I had to go get a paper towel. My hand was too greasy, slimy from the soap. I guess that's not greasy. If I just kind of rock it back and forth and push it with my thumb, it does pretty good. I need to go ahead and cut this, but maybe not. It's all done.
We didn't argue.
We didn't argue once. Now we need to clean the windshield though.
Well, here, try the dry one and see what it does. Because it did real good on the inside. It's too clean compared to the other window.
That make it feel better? Oh, nasty. There it is. Brand new windshield. Overall, replacing the windshield was really easy. Definitely a two-person job. I'm going to give this broken one to Sage. She's going to take it over to the local glass shop where I had mine made. And for $72 a piece, they're going to use this as a template to make new ones. We're lucky enough that on the silversides here, these are totally flat glass. So it's a double laminated safety, auto safety glass. So it shatters, it doesn't, won't kill you if you hit it. But I'm going to give this one to Sage. We'll have a template. We're going to get 6 of them made.
His tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in old Lenny the Silversides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 47 hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows them Detroits, there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue silversides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Now he's moved his family to the hills of Tennessee. Watch that bus grease monkey make his home, bringing buses back to life with the help of his dear wife. Watch that bus grease monkey get it done. Well, he travels town to town working on them old greyhounds. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in old Lenny the Silversides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?